Out of thousands gathered at the Miracle Dome service, the prophet of God is led by the Spirit and identifies a man with his wife.
Come out. Are you here alone? Wife. Come and stand here.
To build their faith, the prophet first reveals something personal and precise.
My brother and sister, let me help you. When I looked at him like this, I saw a celebration in August. What happened in August?
Then the prophet speaks about a picture the man is holding. What he sees and speaks goes far beyond what the natural eye can see.
Show us the picture quickly. Hold it. If you look at this picture, you will think he's trying to sell these vehicles. But as a prophet, this is not a sale. This is a loss. Something was stolen. That vehicle was stolen. Like loss. Oh, and that's why you came today. Oh.
The revelation doesn't stop there. The prophet goes deeper.
I saw 8. And I saw August. What is 8th of August?
My bike නැති උනේ අගෝස්තුවට.
Listen. There's a man in the police that wants this.
ඔව් මේක පොලිසියේ තියෙන්නේ. ඔක්කොම දැන් උසාවියෙන් දීලා තියෙන්නේ පොලිසියෙන් දෙන්නේ නැහැ බයික් එක.
The lion prophet. උසාවියෙන් බයික් එක දීලා පොලිසියෙන් දෙන්නේ නැහැ. By when the park. Okay.
Watch as the couple comes forward after a month, testifying boldly to what was revealed by the prophet through the power of God.
What has happened?
Prophet මේ ඉෂාර සහ නිමේෂා වසර දෙකක් තිස්සේ ඔවුන්ට විසඳා ගන්නට බැරුව ප්‍රශ්නයකින් ඔවුන් මේ වන විට නිදහස් වී තිබෙනවා සභාව. අවුරුදු දෙකකින් ලබා ගන්නට වැඩි වෙච්ච මෝටර රථය ඔවුන්ට දැන් හිමි වී තිබෙනවා. කවුද මේ දෙවියන් වහන්සේ? කවුරුන්ද මේ උන්වහන්සේගේ දිවසිවර ආනන්ද?
Thank you, Lord.
Prophet Jerome. More than just words.